last year.
11 seconds.
Last year, Tampa proved that lightning does indeed strike twice, but does it strike thrice? That answer is no. Lightning does not strike thrice. Pat Maroon is not a back-to-back-to-back-to-back Cup champion.
I think it's the toughest trophy to win in sports.
Arturi Lehkonen finally gets justice for his other two Cup final losses to the Tampa Bay Lightning. Tampa's dreams of a three-peat have been crushed, and the Avalanche have won it for the first time since 2001. Last time they won, I was not even born yet. And I got to see the Avs win in my lifetime.